You wouldn't want that happening to you, would you? Today we're shooting 35, a short horror segment with our friends from Apex Media Crew. And we're doing this for zero budget because horror movies. We can do this because traditionally, good horror movies have been done with almost zero budget. The Blair Witch Project was shot for only $60,000 and Paranormal for only $15,000. That is until DreamWorks intervened and upped the budget by a couple $100,000 because studios. Anyways, the point is that a good story doesn't need a lot of money to be told. And our story is about doors that are better left unopened. In our story, the hero is curious about a key he finds in a jacket. The key has a little note attached that says 35, and our hero goes investigating. We wanted a sense of our hero being followed, so right from the start, as he walks across the corridors, the light kind of follows him as he walks. To do this, we're using a few Nanlite PowerTube C2. This is absolutely safe, right? And we're using a 2-up to control when they turn on and off as our hero walks along the corridor. As the actor moves along the corridor, the lights kind of follow him, and this was really easy to set up with the Nanlite app. To avoid spill, we DIY'd some flags, and I gotta say, having a light that weighs so little and is self-sustained and self-powered really made our work a lot easier. When he gets to the door, you know that something is wrong and someone or something is waiting behind that door. Moving the light behind the slits is just what you need to give this eerie feeling. And here again, using such a powerful light that you can hold in your hand was really godsend. Luke Skywalker. The story ends as our poor hero is facing what's behind the door, and as the door opens, we see the line across his face, and again, this was done with another tube. All in all, it was a fun shoot, and we kept budget under $50, which, to be honest, mostly went for snacks. This is it for today. I hope that you had as much fun watching the video as we had making it. Hit the like button, the share button, don't hit that elevator button. I'm Udi Kirosh with DIYphotography.net, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.